Little unboxing here, or unpackaging, I should say, of the new 7K Metals coin drop. Now, a coin doesn't always have to be a coin. It can actually be a piece of jewelry or, decorative item, some sort of collectible. And so this one was kind of cool. I wasn't 100% planning on purchasing it, and it could have been an issue and a glitch in the way that it was running on my end, because I pressed the button to see and just see what would happen and the prices, and to hold it for me, and it actually just went through and bought it. So it is what it is. That there was some time I probably could have canceled it, or I probably could have put in a support ticket, but I think it's a cool item, and it also got me 10 extra entries into a giveaway contest that they're having right now for a Yellowstone trip that includes $500 extra in, hotel stay or cabin stay, I believe. So if you want to get in with us and get your own entries in, obviously you have to be a member. So we're going to open this up. It's kind of cool. Anything that, this is actually a pretty good sized package, because I believe, unlike some of the other coins, it didn't just come, or it's not just a coin like in a plastic bag. It's not a coin in, like the little plastic, hard case holders. I believe it's supposed to be the highest quality, which they believe I call us the PF70, or other parts call it like an MS70. And so I've ordered some other coins through them and just got them in like little plastic. And if you check out the link below, you'll see some of the other videos where I got some birthday coins, and I got an anniversary coin. I got some St. Patrick's Day coins, and those just came in little bubble wrap. And I believe this one, because of its uniqueness, actually comes in an actual box, like a special case, which obviously increased the value of it. And so I'm gonna pull out, looks like I got a couple things here. They may have sent some extra stuff. So I got two different things here. I'm not really sure. Maybe one is the thing it goes into and one is the actual coin. So I'm just gonna tuck this under my arm here. And we got our little receipt. So again, just to show you, it is coming from 7K Metals. And I've been a member since December 2025. And the value of silver and gold since I've joined has even gone up quite a bit. Silver was about $55 to $60 when I joined. Today it is January 21st. Silver is $95. I believe it made it to $95. It was at least $94. Gold, I believe it made it over $4,700. So really, really surprising how well it is doing. And one of the main reasons is because of supply and demand. If you think about all the electronics, that are going on there, solar powered vehicles, solar panels, alternative energies that are starting to be used worldwide as population continues, the need for conductive metals is huge. And so things like silver are ramping up, especially with the way that the world is going, with tariffs and certain things. That is causing, blockages from some countries releasing it, which therefore makes the supply go down even more, and therefore the demand go up even higher. And so we have obviously a continuous increase in the metals. And so this one comes in a really, really big set. And again, it is the the PF70, and this is a yellow submarine. So if you are a Beatles fan, they actually had a yellow submarine. And on the other side, I believe, it's kind of hard for me to look at it because it's really, really tiny. I don't have any glasses on, so I apologize for that. But there is some information. I'll kind of zoom in a little bit. Maybe you'll be able to see it there. If I pause it, you might be able to actually read and see what's going on there. So nice and shiny. It's supposed to be a PF70, meaning, it's the highest level. There's no blemishes. And obviously that's going to increase value over time to a collector. And so inside, we also have the collector card that comes with it and gives a little background information. Just talking about, how many were made. Let's see if I can hold it. So we got 1 troy ounce. We got pure silver, colors that are in there, the mintage. Okay, there's only 400 that were made. And this was actually produced 2024. So they might have had these out for a while, and then they were able to get them from a company and, again, sell them and do the promotion. So we have a nice little, holder and case that they are put into. And then this one actually came with an extra special case, I believe, that was specific for this, which obviously ramps up the value. And so inside this, we have the silver collectible Beatles Yellow Submarine. And if we go through, we're going to open this up. Kind of got a hollow box here. But again, Yellow Submarine. And inside this, we have even more stuff. And so this was an even better benefit, instead of just getting it by itself. And I can decide to leave it in one or the other. But we have inside a little cloth bag. We have another little Yellow Submarine, basically looking like the same, design. So if we hold those two up, basically got the little same design there as I disappear. And inside that, if I wanted to, I could take it out of here and put it in here. So at this point, I probably won't do that. This has been graded, marked. I just want to leave this like it is right now. And then should this go, up in value over time, I could elect that I want to decide to list it, sell it, maybe give it away as, some kind of, raffle or something. If I have a contest down the road as I continue to grow my team and to grow my business as that progresses. So that is the opening. Again, we got the Yellow Submarine, really cool piece of collectible artwork from 7K Metals. Just one of the thousands and thousands you could probably find that are actually online. So if you take a look below, you can take a look at there's a link to join and to find out more, just to get started. You can learn a little bit more about 7K Metals and the collectibles that they have. They have coins, they have artwork like this, they have jewelry, they have eagles, for example, in both silver and gold. And then one of the really cool things about this 7K Metals is you can buy fractional gold and silver. So you don't have to buy a whole ounce. Now, obviously, a lot of people don't have $4,700 to buy 1 ounce of gold, but you can go in and buy, let's say you had $47. You wanted to buy a 100th of an ounce. Now, if that gold goes up to $5,000, your 47 will become $50, if that makes sense. It will go up in proportion. If your gold went to $5,500, your $47 would go up to $55. And I've seen that already. I believe I've put in, a few $100 of fractional gold over the last couple weeks, and I've actually seen it continue to go up. Okay, I think I put maybe about $600 in, and I believe the last time I checked, I'm doing this off memory, it might have been up to $620 or $640. Okay, something like that. Something similar to that amount, it had gone up, $30 to $40, which was a really nice investment increase or return. Now, obviously, what we have to consider as a disclaimer is that if I don't ever take that money out, technically it's not my gain yet. And the price of silver and the price of gold could obviously drop. So do your due diligence. There's also a link to the earnings disclaimer below. And I just want to reach out to you again, or have you reach out to me if you have any questions, thoughts, or concerns about 7K or the metals, getting yourself started with investing in a real tangible asset that could help to hedge against the, craziness of the economy today, and how, the value of our US dollar has continued to decline while inflation rises. Well, silver could be a perfect hedge against that. So if you have any other questions, thoughts, concerns, be sure to like the video. Make sure you subscribe to the channel if you have, and if you want to hear about new things that are coming out that I'm involved in, specifically in the metals field. I look forward to seeing your success and watching, your silver and gold purchases and or collectibles increase over time. Take care.